Hey guys, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about this GMC, well, not talk about, today we're going to replace the battery on this GMC Terrain. The battery is located right here. So if your car look like this is from 2017 to 2010. So if your car look like this, Terrain, so if your car look like this, it will be the same procedure of changing your battery. So this is what it look like. So first step first, you would go ahead, come under here, open your hood, and you would go ahead and pull this like this, and this will unhook from here like this. And also, if you want to jump your car, you can go ahead and connect your positive cable right here. You're supposed to have a red cap that go right here, but this one is missing. So positive right here and your negative over here. You can even see the ground sign over there. So positive right here, negative right here if you want to jump the car. Connect positive to positive, negative to negative. All right, so your battery gonna be located, sorry about the noise, your battery gonna be located under here. So to remove this, you gotta go ahead. To remove this, you gotta go ahead and slide this back like this, and this will reveal your ECM or PCM. This is for your computer, for your engine. And then you're gonna have a 10mm right here, and also you're gonna have another 10mm right here. You're gonna have another 10mm under here. All right, so let's go ahead and remove this plastic piece right here. What I would do to remove the plastic piece, you can use a clip puller. Once again, I will leave all the link in the description for all the tools I use. So you can go underneath here with your clip puller like this. So you want to get it like that and feel it like that. So you want to do it for all three. One, that's two, and the third one is right here. And then we can go ahead and lift this cover up. So right here I have a point where it can pivot, so we put it to the back like that. So now, like I was saying, you have 10mm right here, 10mm over here, and a 10mm right here. And what we're gonna do is to remove those 10mm. Link will be in the description for all the tools I use. So first thing first, we have a clip puller. Link will be down there. Let's remove the PCM or ECM. Alright guys, so you want to get your new battery and install it. Once again, you want to make sure your positive line up with your positive, negative line up with your negative, and go ahead and put on the back, put down the back. So the battery go down, seated properly. Remove the cap. Install the new battery. Get your 10mm right here and run it in. Get your negative cable on. Run that in. What I'm gonna do before I put back put back the computer on top is spray some battery protector on the terminal so it doesn't corrode. Alright, so I'll go ahead and spray this on here. Cover that down. Cover that down also. Get your computer. What you can do is install this right here like this. You put it back in here because it's supposed to be in here, but it come out. And it looked like somebody else was in here because they cut another part of the battery right off the holder right there. So somebody went in there before. I don't know what they did. So you want to line up all your holes. Right there. Put that over there and put your 10mm right here also, your nut. So let's go ahead, run in all the screws. That's in also. And we're gonna go ahead and get this, put it in. Once you line it up properly, once you line it up like that, you can just slide it in and it will lock into place. Go ahead, put this down because this have a tab right here that goes in this hole right here. Line it up. Make sure that's down in. Alright guys, you guys always say crank the car up when I change the battery. So I'm not gonna cut the video, I'm just gonna walk around inside the car and find the key right here, and we're gonna go ahead and crank the car up. So turn the ignition on for like 5 seconds. Once you turn that on for like 5 seconds, we can go ahead and turn it back off and crank it up. And there you go, it cranked right up. We have no light on the dash. All the light turn off. Let me turn the flash off so you can see. So we have no light on. That's light that is flashing, that is for your seat belt, and those green light is for your miles and your light. Guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Let's grow this channel together. Peace out. See you next time.